Athena International Preschool, Gonawala, Kelaniya, where every child's journey begins with joy and curiosity.
Hello, I'm Purna Ranasinghan, Headmistress of Athena International Preschool and Daycare Center, where learning is an adventure. We believe in nurturing curious minds and playful hearts.
At Athena International Preschool, we believe that play is the foundation of learning. Our specially designed curriculum combines fun and education, fostering creativity and critical thinking. Our experienced and dedicated teachers provide personalized attention, ensuring that each child feels valued and supported. We focus on holistic development, social, emotional, and cognitive skills. We understand how important it is for parents to feel secure and confident in their choice of preschool. That's why we prioritize safety, communication, and community involvement.
From the playgroup class, I'm so proud to be part of this wonderful preschool community. Every day I have a privilege of watching our little learners explore, play and grow. Under the great supervision and the guidance of our headmistress, Madam Purna Ranasinghan, we are building a strong foundation for our kids' future.
Actually, Athena International Preschool is beyond my expectations because my child has improved a lot when it comes to reading, writing and his fine motor skills too. These teachers put a lot of effort in teaching and they also make sure that there are no any learning gaps.
Hi everyone, the reason that I selected the Athena school is just not to be a school for my son, it's always be a school and home for my son. So what I really like in the school is the practical sessions that the teacher has already conducted at the school, which give like the on-the-go learning to the students. At the same time, it's not just book-based learning, it's the more practical ones.
Athena International Preschool is a wonderful place for your child where learning and fun go hand in hand.
We prepare your children for a bright future.
Athena International Preschool and Daycare Center. Unleash your inner butterfly.